Why Knxcutens? Talikin limt Knxcutens pachia. Baha Knxcutens N1. We came up with the word Knxcuten because it means helper. That's what we're doing. We're the helper to N1. So how do you get N1? All you have to do is go on your computer or any device and go to interiorSalish.com, click on the Knxcutens curriculum link, and you can find all the resources you need to get started with this tutorial. I'm so grateful that you guys could be joining us. You can get your own book. Lim lim to everybody. Right? Khas khal khal. Right? What?
What?
Sweeta squeezed.
Y squeezed taris. Sweeta squeezed.
He squeezed qoyachen. Hatik khas taris.
Apena kin ayocht.
Oh.
Hatik khast.
Tiken khas. Okay. White ninuis at weekendchen.
White ninuis at weekendchen.
Why khas khal khalti pesnak siluch. Talikin limpt pachiap. Aha Knxcutens and silkchen naks. He squeezed qoyachen or speaks mayam. Hello, good day, my relatives. I'm grateful you showed up. This is the helper for Knxcutens naks. My name is Levi Benton. I'll be your instructor. Ho hoi, let's get going. Aha sme my naks white. Kuan chow chint. White. 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 Khasl kukwast. Khasl kukwast. Khasl kukwast. Khasl kukwast. Khas khalkhalt. Khas khalkhalt. Khas khalkhalt. Khas khalkhalt. Khas senyauquqain. Khas senyauquqain. Khas senyauquqain. Khas senyauquqain. Khas klau. Khas klau. Khas klau. Khas klau. Khasen kukuach. Khasen kukuach. Khasen kukuach. Khasen kukuach. Atzente splimchen. White. White. Khasl kukwast. Khasl kukwast. Khast khalkhalt. Khast khalkhalt. Khasen yauquqain. Khasen yauquqain. Khasklau. Khasklau. Khasen kukuach. Khasen kukuach. Why khastis chkulamp? Ahais ktitachwach. Just going to do a little bit of additional information for Smeet My Nux for the first lesson. What I'd like to get into is the song, a welcoming song. It goes like this. Sing along with me, Piyayat. Why hatik khast, why hatik khast, why hatik khast apana. Why? Tiken hast. Why? Tiken hast. Why? Tiken hast. Tiken hast apana. And you can add other types of states of being into that song too. You could say, why ken ayocht, why ken ayocht, why ken ayocht, apana. Ayocht is in selection word for tired, and chast is in selection word for good. So I hope you had a good time today, and we'll see you next time. Why Ninuis at Wixleman.